My dad's a general and vascular surgeon, and growing up I had always spent time with him in the hospital from elementary school to middle school. I see him doing his work, see him interact with patients, watching him interact with other doctors. And I remember one time in high school, I went into the radiology department with him. He had to go discuss a case with one of his radiology friends. And I saw the radiologist sitting, in the back of the hospital in front of a couple computer screens and telling my dad a patient has something going on, I can't remember, but he told my dad he needed to have surgery, and my dad took the patient to surgery. And I thought it was amazing that somebody else could tell my dad what to do. And so I wanted to do that. I wanted to be able to, look at a picture and tell somebody else what that picture means and how they have to treat the patient. And then what got me into actually doing the procedural aspect of interventional radiology was the same thing. My dad was a surgeon, and I still had that inkling in my DNA to keep doing something with my hands. For me personally, the reason why I got into the specialty was doing something that's minimally invasive that leaves you behind just a tiny little scar. There's no major incisions. Recovery time is a couple hours and you get to go home the same day. I have the ability to do something in the body from head to toe. I could potentially take a blood clot out of your lungs. I could take the blood clot out of your legs. I can open up an artery in your legs. I can stop bleeding from the uterus. I can shrink the prostate down, all through a tiny incision in the wrist or the groin. I love this group. I love Great Lakes Medical Imaging. I'm from Olean, New York, so being part of the community of Western New York has been kind of a passion for me. I like knowing that I can talk to somebody that might know of Olean, that's from Olean. I like knowing that I can help that community from out in here in Buffalo. And again, just the whole Western New York community it's a great community. I mean, anytime I interacted with somebody that was not, when I was not in Buffalo, when I was in Philadelphia or training in Delaware, I always got excited knowing that, oh, you know about Buffalo, you're from Buffalo. And there was just an immediate connection, and having that here on a daily basis, it keeps me around. I love this area. It's just a great place to be. It's a great place to raise a family, and go Bills.